I think a lot of people ask this at some point. Is software engineering really for me? And honestly, I think this is a fair question because from the outside, this field looks nice. Like good salary, remote work, cool projects, working in tech, and for me, it all started way earlier. Back in senior high school, I took ICT and I don't know, I just found it interesting. Like imagine as a human being, you can make money out of just typing. Just you, your keyboard, and your brain. And then in college, I remember I watched the Social Network movie. And after that, my interest in software just got deeper and deeper because I realized that, okay, this isn't just coding. You can actually build something real that people use. But once you actually start doing that, the question changes. It becomes less about is this a good career and more about is this something that I can actually stay with, because software engineering is not just your coding when you feel inspired. A lot of it is still showing even when you feel tired, even when your brain is full, even when the bug is annoying, even when the progress feels slow. So I think one of the first signs is very simple, that you still come back to it, because if you keep coming back even when it drains you a little, that usually means something. So I want you to say this too. You don't have to be a nerd. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room. I think a lot of people get scared because they think software engineering is only for a naturally gifted person. Like the people who have been coding since they were kids, or the people who understand things right away. But I don't think that's the best way to look at it. I think a lot of good engineers are just people who stayed long enough. People who were willing to feel behind. People who kept learning anyway. So if you're slow right now, that doesn't automatically mean that this isn't for you. It might just mean you are still learning, and that's normal. I think one of the strongest questions you can ask yourself is this: if all jobs had no salary, what would you still choose? And of course, in real life, salary matters. So I don't think it's wrong if money is part of why you are interested in software engineering. But I also think this: if money is the only thing keeping you here, you're probably not going to last. Because this field can be frustrating. It can be mentally heavy, it can take a lot from you, and if every day feels like you're forcing yourself to do something that you don't even like, then even a good salary might stop feeling worth it. I think the better goal is finding the career that gives you some balance between happiness and money. And if software engineering is that for you, then it's a good sign. So another sign is this: you are a builder and you like making things. You like starting with an idea and turn it into something real. Maybe it's software, maybe it's content, maybe it's system, small side projects, or just organizing things in a better way. I think a lot of people who fit well in software engineering, they naturally like creating, improving, and making things work. And if that's already part of how you are, then software engineering might feel very natural to you over time. Because at the end of the day, that's a big part of this field. You're building things that solve problems. You're turning ideas into something useful. You are making something out of nothing. I think this part matters a lot too. Software is kind of a strange thing because it is rewarding even if you don't actually touch it, but somehow it feels good. The feature works, the bug is gone when the app finally runs, and when something you actually made helps someone, and if that feels rewarding to you, even if it feels invisible, that's important because not everyone feels that. Some people needs work that is physical, and that's okay. But if software still gives you that sense of satisfaction, then that's actually a good sign that this path might actually fit you. Another thing is, we also need to talk about AI because AI is changing software engineering entirely. So another real question is, are you willing to adapt? Are you willing to use AI without depending on it too much? Are you willing to keep learning even the tools are changing? And are you willing to still think for yourself? Because right now, AI can help a lot. It can explain things, generate code, and help you debug faster. But it can also make it easier to fake the progress. It can make you feel productive even when you don't understand anything. So I think in the AI era, software engineering might be for you if you are still curious enough to learn what's happening under the hood. If you are still willing to adapt, if you are still willing to grow with the field instead of being scared every time it changes. So how do you know if software engineering is really for you? I think it's not about being genius. It's not about looking like a nerd. It's not even just about the money. I think it's more about, do you keep coming back to it even when you are tired? Would you still choose it even if money wasn't the main reason? Are you a builder by nature? Does it feel rewarding learning when you make something that you can't even touch? And are you willing to adapt, especially now that AI is part of the picture? And if yes is your answer to the most of that, then maybe software engineering really is for you. And if not, that's okay. Give it a try first. Maybe it's the right career, but you're just in the wrong timing.